Our story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. Features also include rear view camera, heated mirrors, steering wheel controls, high beam assist, MP3. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2022 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, hill descent control, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.